Hola, hola, hola. How is everyone doing out there? I hope you're doing well. I'm doing well. Happy about the new year for sure, without a doubt. I hope everything is going good with you. Yes. I wanted to hop on real quick to introduce a 2021 campaign that I have scheduled and planned on my social media accounts, and would love it if you're interested to follow along throughout the year. It's going to be a year-long on reflections for 2021, a self-discovery journey with me, with you, collectively, together, and individually. So let me start off by introducing myself in case there's you may share this out and someone may not know who I am. So my name is Shauna Hibbets, and I am an author, speaker, podcaster, creative entrepreneur, facilitator, and a bilingual early childhood specialist of over 25 plus years. Yes. So that's who I am, and let's talk about this reflections. So the year-long theme is reflections. That is the overall umbrella. And each month we'll have a specific theme that we will focus on week to week. So on Mondays, there will be a Monday mantra that we would have that we could recite to ourselves. On Wednesdays, there would be a question that reflects that mantra. And on Friday, I will show up on IGTV in a video answering the question and speaking more about the mantra, what it means to me in my life, and hopes to hear what it means for you in your life as well. So I am so excited for us to do this journey together. Self-discovery journey is self-discovery is something that's very near and dear to my heart. Always have been since I was a child, and everything that I do from my early childhood, from podcasting to speaking about different topics that has to do with self-discovery, accountability, mastermind programs, all of these things that really take us and fulfill our purpose in our journey and finding our way and our voice and our authentic self. So I really love that. I love that about working with children. And that is the one thing that children have immediately from birth. They have all of those things. And along the way, sometimes we get lost through life and we're trying to figure it out. So why not figure it out together? It's no bueno trying to do life alone, right? So January's theme is going to be called introspection. So introspection is going to be speaking about our inner selves, connecting with our inner selves, and really digging deep to find out what it is that's really going on inside of us and how we can bring all the greatness out. So I hope you're ready for the ride. I so appreciate you being here. If you know anyone that would love to enjoy this journey and go along, please share out this video, and I will see everybody soon. Muchas gracias. Ciao. Get ready. Reflections on the way. Adios.